What is the partial pressure of oxygen at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure, in a gaseous mixture containing 100 centimeter cube of oxygen and 900 centimeter cube of nitrogen gas? So we have four options here. We have to solve and see which of this option is the correct answer. So let's begin. The first step is to bring out the parameters. The question is asking us for the partial pressure of oxygen at STP. So we are looking for partial pressure of oxygen, okay, at STP. That's the unknown, okay. In a gaseous mixture which contains 100 centimeter cube, that's the volume of oxygen is 100 centimeter cube, while the volume of nitrogen is given as, that's of nitrogen gas, is given as 900 centimeter cube. So the first step for us to do here is to calculate first the total volume, okay. So the total volume is going to be the volume of the oxygen gas plus the volume of the nitrogen gas, which is equals to 100 plus 900, and this gives us a value of 1000 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume. So since the measurement is at STP, that is at standard temperature and pressure, then it means that the total pressure is 1 atm. So that is the total pressure is equal to 1 atm. So for us to get the pressure of oxygen, which is what the question has asked us to find, this one is the pressure of the oxygen at STP is going to be the volume of oxygen divided by the total volume, okay, times the total pressure. Okay, so with this relation now we can get the unknown. So this is equal to the volume of the oxygen from the question of the oxygen gas is 100, so we have 100 over, now the total volume we calculated is 1000, so we have times the total pressure. So since, as I mentioned earlier, the total pressure is going to be 1 atm because the measurement is because it is measured, or the measurement is at standard temperature and pressure, so this is going to be 1. So from here we can simplify by saying 100 divided by 1000. This gives us then we multiply our answer by 1, and this gives us a value of 0.1. Okay, so this is the pressure of oxygen, and we know that the SI unit of oxygen of pressure is in atm, that is atmospheric. So we have our answer as 0.1 atm, as simple as that. So let's look at the options. The options we are having tallying with our answer is option B, which is 0.1 atm, and that's the correct and the final answer.